Feel It Real, by Denise Coates. Section 1. Chapter 5. Feeling It First. A strong passion will ensure success. For the desire of the end will point out the means. William Hazlitt. Knowing what you don't want helped you figure out what you do want and how you want to feel. You might ask, how do I feel that way before getting my desire? There are many processes and techniques that can help you create the feeling that you already possess the things you desire. The games in the book will help. Let's reiterate why it is so important to feel it first. When you exist in a vibration of already having your desires, you begin to send a new signal to the universe. The signal says, send me more stuff that matches the way I am feeling. The universe always says yes to whatever emotional signal you send it by delivering circumstances that vibrationally match up with those emotions. You get the green lights and the open doors more and more. Seemingly miraculous synchronicities begin to happen, all because you tuned into a different, emotional station. This book is designed to get and keep you feeling as if you have your desires even before they get here. And to help you become aware of beliefs that hold you back from the feeling place of having your desires. Feeling it real. Let's work with the 3 desires you listed, page 31, and help you get into the feeling place of already having them. Look at the positive emotions you've listed. Our goal is to get you to feel those emotions right now. These emotions are our navigational system or road map. Take the emotions you want to feel from your first desire and think of any ways, even little ways, you already feel these emotions. You can combine similar emotions for the sake of keeping it relatively easy. Example 1. I am thin and attractive. I feel confident, beautiful, self-accepting, self-loving, shining. Glowing, sexy, flowing, changing, hopeful, excited. I already feel confident when I am at work because I am good at what I do. I already feel beautiful, sexy when I curl my hair. I already feel self-accepting, self-loving when I am first waking up in the morning before I've had a chance to beat up on myself. Now it's your turn. Think of any ways you already feel the emotions that your delivered desires will combine similar emotions for the sake of keeping it easy. 1. I am, have. I feel. Write it down. I already feel. When. Write it down. I already feel. When. Write it down. I already feel. When. Write it down. 2. I am, have. I feel. Write it down. I already feel. When. Write it down. I already feel. When. Write it down. I already feel. When. Write it down. 3. I am, have. I feel. Write it down. I already feel. When. Write it down. I already feel. When. Write it down. I already feel. When. Write it down. It's clear that you've already experienced some version of these emotions. The more often you consciously choose to experience these emotions, the faster you will attract your desires. Notice how you feel, now that you've spent so much time focusing on the good in your life. There are certain physical, emotional, mental, spiritual sensations that we express. When we vibrationally or emotionally tune into our desires. The common signs that you're raising frequencies and attracting your desires include 1. Brighter eyes when you look in the mirror. You are literally vibrating at a higher frequency, and more energy is pouring through your body. 2. Feeling giddy, laughing, and being silly. This is a really common clue. 3. Feeling calm and peaceful deep in your core. 4. Feeling a comforting tingling or buzzing in your body, like a vibrational hug. 5. Feeling more energized and needing less sleep. 6. Feeling more loving and compassionate toward others. 7. Feeling a desire to have more fun. 8. Feeling that your 5 senses are more heightened. 9. Experiencing psychic visions, dreams, premonitions. 10. Feeling more inspired and guided in your decision-making. 11. Noticing that others are more attracted to your energy, and want to be around you or talk to you on the phone more. All of these experiences are clues that you're vibrating at higher frequencies and thus feeling it first. You will want to familiarize yourself with these feelings, because they're the first piece of evidence that your desires are manifesting. When you begin to sense a heightened feeling of joy, even elation or bliss about your desire before it manifests, you are vibrationally aligned and are attracting it right now. When you do these exercises, and in daily life, Observe if you notice any of these changes, physical, emotional, spiritual, so you can identify when you are in the mode of attracting your desires. List the changes you notice. Write it down. Now that we've learned about the law of attraction, changing our reality, opposites, and feeling it first, it is time to learn how our emotions and beliefs help, and sometimes hinder, our vibrational output and our ability to attain our desires.